Hi, very good evening, students. Welcome to video classes. I hope you all are fine. Right, all of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay, so students, in previous class we learnt structure of a leaf and photosynthesis. Right, okay. So, students, that we know the process by which green plants prepare food from carbon dioxide, water, and minerals in the presence of sunlight is called as a photosynthesis. Right? Okay. So, after preparing food by plants, what happened? Have you know? Okay, so that will store. Okay, so today in this class I am going to teach you how food storage in plants. Okay, here plants prepares their food. Okay, their own food. After, what happens to the food made by plants? Okay, so plants use the food to grow and live, because plants also living things, they need food, right? Okay, so they store some of the food produced by them for future use. Okay, this extra food is stored in different parts of plants, such as leaves, roots, stem, fruits, and seeds. Okay. The food in plants is stored in the form of starch. Okay. So we eat such parts of various plants, right? And we can check whether food is stored in a part of a plant by testing for the presence of starch also. Okay, so now here I am going to show you by picture. Okay, so how it will store food in the form of starch. Okay, so to test whether green leaves contain starch. Okay, so that starch is, it is stored in the form of food inside the plant, right? Okay, so to test whether green leaves contain starch. Okay, so here we require some materials. Okay, so here first we require a green leaf, okay, and water and alcohol, okay, and two beakers. Okay, so here this is beaker, okay, and Bunsen burners. Okay, so all of you see here, this is Bunsen burners, okay, and iodine and test tube holder. Okay, so here what here is adding, okay, drop by drop, this is iodine solution. And here next, all of you see here, this is test tube holder. Okay, and here first we have to take a green leaf and put in a boiling water for few minutes. Okay, so all of you see here, and next we have to take out, okay, take out the leaf and put in the test tube containing alcohol. Okay, inside the test tube here there will be alcohol. We have to put this boiled leaf into the alcohol. Okay, so the alcohol present in beaker. Okay, and next we have to place the test tube in the beaker. Okay, so here this is beaker, right? Okay, so we have to place this test tube in the beaker. Okay, and this beaker should contain boiling water. Okay, so we have to keep this test tube in boiling water for few minutes. After, we have to take out the leaf and wash it in cold water. Okay, so after taking out of the leaf and wash it in cold water, we have to add few drops of iodine on the leaf. Okay, after, what do you see? Okay, so all of you see here, you will see that the leaf turns blue black after the addition of iodine, right? Okay, so we know that when iodine is added to the starch, it turns blue black. Okay, so this indicates that the green leaf contains starch. Okay, students, here next let us look at the some examples of plant pots that store food. Okay, so here first example, roots. Okay, roots that stores food. Okay, so example here, carrot, radish and turnip are the some example for plants that stores food in the root. Okay, and next here, okay, stem. Okay, stems that stores food. Okay, for example, sugarcane, lotus stem and potato are some of the plants that stores food in the stem. Okay, and next here, okay, leaves that store food. Okay, so in some plants, food is stored in leaves. Okay, for example, fenugreek, spinach, and cabbage are the some examples for leaves that store food. Okay, and in some plants, food is stored in the form of fruits. For example, mango, papaya, apple, guava, orange. These are the some example for plants which store food in the form of fruits. Okay, and some plants they store food in the form of seeds also. Okay, so example, chickpeas, peas, rice and pearl millet, corn. These are the some example, okay, for seed that stores food. Okay, so students, in this class we learnt food storage in plants, right? Okay, if you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Okay, thank you students.